My name is Sidney F.C.R. and welcome to another review video. In this video today we're going to take a close look on this Arsenal third jersey of next season 2023-2024. This one is the fan version. I bought it from cvbest.com. Check it in the link in the description down below to find out who that seller is. Also, before we check this one out, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have way more videos on the way more things, also like shoes, so don't miss it out. So now, let's have a closer look. So that's this new Arsenal third jersey, the concept jersey though. Let me know what you guys think of this one. This one is really nice, the color combination is really stunning. And also the new Premier League patch, I think it's better than the current one. It's just more clean, like only the lion hat, it's really nice. In the next clip I will show you how this jersey fits me. Once again, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.